Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 11th of June, 2023. Let's talk about Quant Network today because we want to see, given the recent news about the SEC suing Coinbase, suing Binance, saying a lot of securities, a lot of cryptocurrencies are securities. Do you think Quant Network is going to be affected? Because obviously the recent couple of days of trading in Quant Network, yes, it has been impacted, and it's been impacted negatively. Will it continue? Because we are clearly seeing how Quant Network has been on a merely consolidational trading range, which is a very good sign. It tells us that there is a viable market for this currency, and that even though it's going through some volatility amidst all of the information and news about the SEC suing these exchanges, it's not really being impacted too much. So we may not see a mass extinction for Quant Network. Really, I don't think that that's going to occur. But as always, we pay attention to the chart to give us that information. Let me zoom in on this price chart, and you guys can see here, I did a last update in Quant Network on May the 15th, and this is where the price in Quant Network was trading at that particular moment in time. You guys can see as I zoom in on the chart, this is where the price was. Now, looking at the price prediction, I was still bullish into the market in Quant Network. I was still looking for the market to go higher, and initially that did not happen. The price instead in Quant Network definitely exceeded our area of support, which is around $106.50. But then it caught some gas right there on May the 26th. You see that? This was an indicator letting us know that there's strength coming into the market in Quant Network. And take a look at this. I told you that we may simply just see the market in Quant Network run to 120, and it did that on June the 1st. Fantastic, right? Look at that. As we continue to move this over to the left, take a look. The price action in Quant Network did not go no higher than 120, and we called that. We said that right there. Get 2.5% out the market and move on. Did you do that though? Because after this massive run up, a lot of people may felt that yes, Quant Network is finally bullish. It's going to continue to shoot up to 130, and it didn't happen. We told you 120. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Now, the market in Quant Network has definitely broken this area of support, which we identified. I'm going to extend it over because now anything above that line will be seen as resistance. We're going to take this line here now, and we're going to utilize this as the downtrend. Okay, this is the downtrend currently in play in the market in Quant Network. Okay, don't listen to what no one else says. This is the current trend. Price is being rejected every time it comes up here. The market in Quant Network comes down. Every time we hit this descending line, price comes down. So that's going to be the biggest problem for the buyers, this downtrend line. Okay. Now I'm going to take this horizontal line. I'm going to bring it all the way down to the prior lows, because honestly, this is where the market buyers really came in. Okay. So now this is the new trajectory of which price in Quant Network currently is trading. So real quick, let's look at this on the 2-day chart for Quant Network. And what we currently see on this current 2-day price bar is what we term a probable precursor of strength. Simply means that we need to see in the next 2-day price bar, the market in Quant Network close higher than this current 2-day price bar. But it's good to see where price currently is closing at, because throughout the last 2 days, the market came all the way down to 96 bucks. And I'm quite sure some of you purchased some Quant Network at that time, because now it's at 102.30. Here it is on the 3-day. Here it is on the 5. Okay. Let's take a look at Quant Network on the weekly time frame. And here it is on the 2. 3. Now, on the 3 weekly, we have this upcoming trading week, right? 7 days and 7 hours. But if we see the market in Quant Network on this 3 weekly price bar close down here on the low, then at least in the weekly time frame, we need to be a little bit more bearish. Okay, I'm just going to tell you that off the rip. Here it is on the 5. And then here it is on the monthly. Okay. Now, I do like this monthly price bar in Quant right there. That's very good to see. Now, we got 19 days, and I want to see this price currently in Quant close off of the lows to where it is now. I want to see it up here around 110 and 120 on the conclusion of this monthly price bar in June. If that's the case, then this area, which we already identified now at 96.50, is the buy point. This is where the market is buying. Okay. Now let me look at this on an hourly chart first. because I want to see if there's really some strength coming to the market in Quant Network. This is Quant on the 11 hour. Let's see this on the 9. Okay, let's look at this on the 7. I'm trying to identify if there's any buyers in the market now, because if so, then we need to anticipate that the price in Quant is going to go up. Okay, so I'm just doing a quick look real quick. Okay, so I am seeing that there are some buyers entering the market in Quant Network. Looks on 330. Okay, I'm not too confident though. The market is still nervous given the recent events about the SEC and Binance and Coinbase. Let me see now. Okay. So let's do this. I think we need to pause momentarily in Quant Network and our price prediction, and let the market work out these kinks and the volatility and the nervousness that's currently on the chart. I went through the hourly time frame, even on the minute time frame, to see if there's any buyers coming in. I really don't see it as of this recording. So it's telling me that I need to pause. I need to wait. I need to wait until we get more clarification, more confirmation that the buyers are actually coming in this particular space. And even if they do, we may just see the market run up to 108, 110. Okay. So let me see this. What I'm going to do, I am going to place some strength on the chart though. So this is up right here on the 3-hour chart. So I'm going to switch this over to the daily. But as long as the price in Quant holds this $96 area, we're going to look for the market to go higher, okay? But I am not going to give you some outlandish price target, okay? We already know, we've already seen that 105 was resistance previously. So that's going to be our first target. You guys can see it, okay? 2.64%, 105 is our first target in Quant Network. My second one, and ultimately, is going to be around 108. That's 5.5% there. Okay, 108. And then my third is going to be at 110. That's 7.5%. So we're going to do those 3 targets there in Quant Network. Okay, so let me extend this over to right there, and that is it. It's your turn. You're up. Leave a comment, give me your price prediction, your target below, and tell me what do you guys think. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.